Hello, Namaste, good evening, good morning, good day to you wherever you are. Today we are doing a spontaneous video. There is no more theme, prefixed theme, so I am really open to see what's going to come up. And in order to allow that spontaneity flow through, I always start with grounding myself and centering in my womb. So you can start with me, just being in any comfortable seated position, or you could be standing, lying down. And in order to connect to your womb, of course, you need to connect to your body first, your body in general. So what might help is just closing the eyes and just bringing the awareness inwards. If you're not comfortable with your eyes completely closed, then just a very gentle focus on something in front of you so you're not being distracted. And feel your breath. Breath is natural, always available, and it's really the best tool to connect the mind and the body. You don't need to do anything with your breath. You can just simply observe it. That would be the easiest way. And of course you can use other breathing techniques. The simplest would be prolonging the out breath. Long exhalation helps to relax the nervous system. Switch from the sympathetic to parasympathetic nervous branch. So you're just feeling your breath. Your long exhale helps you to relax a little bit more. And as you keep observing your breath, you allow your awareness to descend. It's moving downwards. So you might have had lots of energy around your head area just because we use our brain a lot throughout the day. And so you could be just now allowing your energy to start going down towards your heart, towards your chest. And it's simple. Whenever you bring your focus, your energy follows. So just focusing in the middle of your chest will bring your energy to the heart chakra, the energy center of the heart. And then you want to breathe out and descend even deeper down, all the way to your pelvis, your pelvic area. And in the center of it, somewhere between your pubic bone and the sacrum, is your womb space. And whether you have the actual organ of the uterus or not, it doesn't matter, because you do have the energetic blueprint of the womb, and all the power and wisdom that it holds is within you. And if you're interested in developing deeper connection to your real inner self, your essence, and your feminine power, I really encourage you to spend more time just simply being in your womb space like we are now. So you just feel whatever is happening, or maybe you don't feel anything much, but your awareness, your focus is in the middle of your pelvis, maybe the lower part of it. And whenever you get distracted, you just bring that part of yourself which moved out, and we're habitually moving out and up. So allow it to be drawn back to your womb like a magnet, calling it back home into yourself. And it might take some time for you to get comfortable with sitting in your womb, sitting on your throne of feminine power. But eventually, it can become a real place of refuge where you can find the peace even when everything around is crumbling and there is chaos and emotional instability. The place within your womb is the safest, most nourishing place on earth, in your body and in the universe, I believe. That's the place where your true essence lives. Swadhisthana, that's the name of the second chakra, the sacral chakra. Swa means one's own, and Histhana means a place, an abode. So that's place where you live. And we truly need to spend more time in our wombs and in our bodies in general. Embodiment is truly crucial for one's happiness. You need to learn how to be at peace in your body. And being in your body cultivates more energy. It helps to heal. So if you have any physical ailments and diseases, that's also going to be very beneficial. It's in the body we store lots of emotions. So once you start spending more time in the body, you will be able to process those pent-up emotions, accumulated negativity, accumulated tension and stress. So at first, again, it might not feel very comfortable, but the way to find yourself is inside of you, so you cannot skip this part. Every time you get distracted, just go back, go down, go in, right into your womb space. And this is truly just the basic practice, but it's also could be the only practice you need. If you are interested in deeper connection to your womb and to yourself, that's ultimately all you need, and you will develop deeper and deeper layers of being and understanding of your own power and wisdom. All the answers that you need are within your womb, in that deep place. I hope that you've learned something. I encourage you to practice that connection to the womb that we started with. And if you have any inquiries, or any questions, you're welcome to reach out. You can write me privately if that feels safe for you, or of course just share openly, because being witnessed by other women and create that sisterhood is the ultimate goal. That's why I started this group, and that's what I want us to do, to support each other here more and more. So thank you for watching. If you're just joining, please watch the replay. I'm going to save it. Hopefully it will be saved. And I'm looking forward for deeper connection with you all. Thank you. Namaste.